solving a linear equation. Okay, so remember that solving a linear equation basically means that we need to make our b the subject of the equation here. Okay, so before we can solve our b, we'll need to pack all our b's into the left side, okay, or one side of the equation, and all our constants to the other side of the equation. Okay, so with that, the first step what I want to do is to remove the brackets. Okay, so in order to remove the brackets, we have to do what we did in topic 3, that is to remove the brackets first. Okay, so 5 to b, that will give us 5b, and 5 multiplied to 6, that will give us 30, equals to 2 to 3b, that will give us 6b, and 2 to negative 4, that will give us a negative 8. Okay, so with this, right, the next step what you want to do is to compound all the b's to one side and all the constants to one side. Okay, so if you notice that now I have my 5b and 6b lah. Generally, if you decide to so-called bring 6b over to the left side, then what you want to do is to minus both sides by 6b. That will end up with a negative b on the left. So what I like to do is I always like to bring the smaller guy to the bigger guy. Okay, so like 5b, I like to bring 5b over to the right instead. Okay, so if you know what I'm saying, instead of subtracting both sides by 6b, you see that the trick I do, right, is I so-called subtract both sides by 5b. Okay, so I subtract both sides by 5b, and 6b minus 5b, that will give me b on the right. 5b and minus 5b, that will cancel off the 5b on the left. So now I have b equals to 30 minus 8. Now after that, I will have to deal with this minus 8. So I want to get to b equals to something, right? Just take note that your variable can be on the right side, as long as in the final step you switch it over. Minus 8. So the next step I do is I plus 8 on both sides. Okay, I will plus 8 on both sides. Okay, 30 plus 8, that will give me 38. And minus 8 plus 8 will cancel off, that will give me a b. So of course now you see you have a 38 equals to b, right? I mean a equals to b is the same as b equals to a. So I can easily swap them, and I just write down my final answer as b equals to 38. Okay, so of course you don't have to write out whatever I say here. You know, minus b, minus 5b, you don't have to draw the arrow of plus 8 on both sides whatsoever. So you can just go straight from the question, expand the brackets, and pack all your b's to one side, pack all the constants to the other side, and immediately you can solve for the answer. Okay, thank you.